Hey everyone, it's Troy. In this episode, I wanted to have a chat with you about sneezing. Throughout my healing journey and all the implants that we've removed and all the devices and everything like that, sneezing has been such a massive part of it. And I know throughout the world in many cultures, sneezing has spiritual significance. And I know that sneezing is an assistance in releasing negative energy and spiritual and emotional baggage. I always try and aim for 15 to 20 sneezes a day. And just doing the sneezing, you can just feel just a sense of clearing once you've had a few good sneezes. So if you'd like to know more about sneezing and its spiritual benefits, I'll upload a link beneath this video and you can check out more about sneezing for spiritual benefits.